Hi and welcome to Cebu News. A nursing student was lauded after she prevented a 54-year-old mango vendor from bleeding to death when she was slashed by her live-in partner in Cebu City. The University of Cebu, UC, commended Angel Faith Ababot, a second-year nursing student at their school, for quickly responding to the aid of Bernadetta Zamora. Kudos! Angel, for the kind deed and genuinity that you showed to people in need, the University of Cebu said in a statement released on its official Facebook page. Closed-circuit television, CCTV, footage uploaded on social media showed how Zamora was selling mangoes across a commercial building in Plaridel Street, Cebu City on Monday when her live-in partner, Edwin Salazar, suddenly pulled her and slashed her neck before fleeing. In the videos, passers-by including Ababot and several students standing right beside Zamora were seen helping the vendor, who was then rushed to a nearby hospital. Ababot said she was hesitant to help the elderly, adding that other pre-medicine and medicine students were within the vicinity. The Cebu City Police Office, CCPO, is also set to recognize Ababot during their flag-raising ceremony this Monday, February 6th. Don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe to our page for more updates.